Hello everyone, Jonathan Sweeney here. Today we're going to be going over how to log into REDXRAY and get started by creating a company profile. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the REDXRAY login screen, go ahead and enter our credentials. And as you can see here, we don't have anything on the dashboard quite yet, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is click Manage Companies at the top here. And the first step to creating any new company is just assigning the profile a name. So let's say the name of the company is example. And we're just going to begin by entering in the top left field here some example domains. So we've got example.com, or let's go with example.org, example.nz, why not? And we can just keep going on as we like and just filling in the domains field with different domains for this company. In the next field over here to the right, you can use our typo_squat domain feature. You can input your own typo_squat domains. So if we wanted to go ahead and put our own in, we can do it that way. Or REDXRAY has the ability to automatically generate a typo_squat domain list. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and check off this little button here. And when we click save, this REDXRAY in the background will create a list of typo_squatted domains, which we can then monitor for cyber threats. In the next field here are autonomous system numbers, or ASNs. If you've got a large network and you're looking to put in an ASN number instead of putting in a bunch of network ranges or IP addresses individually, you are more than welcome to do that. So we'll go ahead and put in a sample ASN there. And then over to the right here, we've got our CIDRs and IPs field. So we can either put in an individual IP, we'll go ahead and put that there. Or if we wanted to, let's say, do a network range, we can go ahead and give the slash notation, and now we can monitor all the hosts on this network. Next field is the reverse whois. So if you've got some whois information that you would like to see other domains associated with that whois information, go ahead and put that information into this field here. And when you save the profile, REDXRAY will attempt to pull domains associated with that whois information. In the next field here, we've got our keywords and phrases. So in the keywords and phrases, this is where you can be creative, right? So you can, we could have the name of the company, we could have the company CEO, we could have the name of a company project that we don't want anybody to know about. So if there's people talking about this project on the internet, then that's something we would want to know about. So we're going to put that and look for cyber threats associated with that. Then we're going to click Save. And as you can see here, you'll get a little message saying that REDXRAY is working in the background to create the company profile. And we can go to our dashboard, change this time filter to all. And look, now we've got the example company that we just created. Now I have created an example profile in the past just to show you that when you first create a company in REDXRAY, there's not going to be any data listed here. It's going to take a few minutes for that data to load from our Cyber Threat Analysis Center, so don't worry. The profile that we've created here will eventually look like this. Just give it a few minutes to pull that cyber threat intelligence. That's all we have today for creating a company profile inside of REDXRAY. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Red Sky Alliance. Thank you.